and it's all because now if we're talking body, you got a perfect one, so put it on me.
Hola everybody. So today your girl is trying out finally the DevaCurl Deep Sea Repair Mask by, like I just said, DevaCurl. It is 100% sulfate, paraben, and silicone free. So I love that when, you know, it doesn't have all that gunk in my hair products. So yeah. So as you can see, my hair is 100% dry. Yeah, this is my hair when I don't manipulate it or no deep condition. It's just, yeah, it's just a hot mess. So yeah, my hair is very much fluffy and it's a lot. It's a lot. But yeah, let's see how this mask works. Hopefully it's good. I do have the 8 fluid ounces and I think the price $28. It is around $30. So hopefully this bad boy works. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse my hair again because it's freshly washed. I washed it yesterday. So yeah, it's just been chilling out for a day. So I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this, be right back, apply this and detangle, since it does say that you can detangle with this mask. Hopefully we can. And also I will be going ahead and styling my hair off camera. So yeah, when that comes, that comes. So I'll be right back, guys. Okay, so let's go ahead and add this in. Kind of use this much. It actually smells like a type of lotion that I used to use. Feels very buttery and smooth in my hair. Okay, that really melted in. Okay, DevaCurl, I'm really starting to like DevaCurl now. Take a little more and then put it up here. It's really smooth, guys, really smooth. And it's really detangling my hair. It seems like DevaCurl products really detangles my hair a lot, so I really may have to start using them. And I have to use the brush because my hair is very tender-headed, so I get knots and tangles very easily. So to see my hair this, you know, detangled that quickly, since I already pre-detangled, and it doesn't feel dry, it actually feels really moisturizing, I'm in love. But one thing, if you don't like fragrance, then I kind of don't suggest you getting this because this does have a fragrance. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and twist that up. Okay guys, so I am finally through putting all of that in this big head of mine, and I went ahead and, you know, put this in. Duh, Jennifer. Anyways, so I went ahead and tied it up. It says 15 to 30 minutes. I'm not sure it has protein in it, but I think it has protein since it is seaweed. So we're only gonna leave it in for like 30 to 45 to an hour, and that's it, and rinse it out. Hopefully I can get this uploaded tonight, which today is Tuesday. So yeah, today is wash day. Hopefully it goes good. Okay, so I just got done rinsing everything out. Okay, so I honestly feel like this mask was pretty good. It's very moisturizing. It did go ahead and detangle my hair. So yeah, all around it's really good. It is moisturizing, but I will be going ahead and going into the Melt Into Moisture mask after this because I really need the moisture, because I have not been doing deep conditioning treatments in a while. Like a good while. Oh gosh, my face looks swollen. It's still morning, but whatever. But yeah, it's a pretty good mask. If you really want to try it out, I suggest trying it out, especially if you have not been detangling like you need to be. It really helped me detangle, and it really melted into my hair when I went to go apply it. So yeah, I am actually really loving the DevaCurl train, and where I'm headed to with the DevaCurl. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna go ahead and stock up on their products when I'm done using it. So yeah, guys, you want to go check it out, I will have the link below. I am not affiliated. I just love the product so much that I just want to share it with you guys. So yeah, if you like this video, please leave a thumbs up. I'm sorry that this video is a little late, but that's because I really did want to go ahead and leave that conditioner in for a little longer than normal because my hair really needed it. I haven't had a deep condition treatment like in a couple of weeks. So yeah, you know, curly girls, that we really have to deep condition like pretty much twice a week, or at least one time a week. So yeah, for me to not have did that like in a good 3 to 4 weeks, like a month, that's not good. Like, that's really damaging to your hair. So yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to comment on actually what DevaCurl product you have tried, or what DevaCurl product you want to try, because honestly, I wasn't so much into DevaCurl at all. Like, I was like, oh, it's just some expensive, you know, conditioner, shampoo, or whatever. But after trying this, like, I can actually understand why a lot of girls really love their products. And don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and click that bell right by it so you can be reminded every single time I upload, which I'm trying to make sure I do it on Tuesdays and Thursdays, but I couldn't upload it, you know, yesterday because I really did want a deep condition. So yeah, that's about it, guys. That's my final review. Thanks for watching and have a blessed day. Bye, guys.
Small voice in the choir. Guess I never dared to know myself. Can my heart be quiet? No. But then there was you. Yeah, then there was you. Pull me out of the crowd. You were telling the truth.